What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Facebook page name. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can follow this tutorial on the mobile app or the web version of Facebook. The layout might differ a bit, and in this tutorial, we will proceed with Facebook's web version. Open up your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure to log in with your account with which your Facebook page is associated. Log into your account and switch to your page's profile. When this is done, click your page's profile icon located at the upper right corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy and then Settings. You will land on your Facebook page's general settings. Click Edit next to your page name and then replace the original name with your new page name. Now, before you proceed, know that Facebook requires up to 3 days in order to review your new page name, and that once you change your page name, you won't be able to change it again for the next 60 days. Therefore, make sure that your new page name is up to Facebook's page naming rules. With this done, click Review Change to submit your request for changing your Facebook page name and proceed to complete any prompts if asked. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.